This video will be showing you how to install your top bar extender to your existing top bar. So this will give you an extra 12 to 15 inches of length and give you more space to be able to spin and move within your aerial rig. This bar comes with two sleeves, one is wider and one is narrower, so you need to turn it so that the wider sleeve is facing your top bar. Next up, you're going to remove the end cap to your top bar. It is attached with a little push pin mechanism, so you can push that down with your finger and pull it out, or you can use a pin to help you get it out by pushing that down and wiggling it out. Once this is removed, you can slide on your top bar extender. So you'll slide the sleeve to align the holes so you can put the pin to connect the two layers. Rotate the other side, the other smaller bar, so that the second holes are aligned. And then these two bars, I'm actually going to turn the pin so they're facing the same way. And now this sleeve is securely in place. These two pins are connecting the smaller piece and the larger bar together. And you're going to take that end cap again and place it on the smaller side of that extender. And then you're ready to add your leg connector from here, and you have a longer top bar.